Queenie, who got up at 5? Did you? Hey, you forgot someone. She just tooted. Hi, Jabby. Little boy. Hi. Hey, Jeff. Oh, good retriever. He understands everything she says. Almost time for Mommy to go to the gym. So we have to wake Daddy up to watch these two. Quinn plays with these little jam and jelly tops. Because they're metal and they make a bunch of noise. Can we get it for you? Ask him. Say, leave it, Jeff. Yeah, he doesn't take things. Here. She has to put them in this bank. There's the red. And put the tops in, right? Put the tops in. Very good. Come on, put it in. Very good. Very good. I made this out of an oatmeal container. Very good, Quinn. Okay, bye-bye.